Actually, I'm going to stop for a second. Perfect example of a squib load. Come on in here.
No way.
Round exited the barrel in that situation, but if you noticed, I pulled the trigger, nothing happened on that one set. The casing itself actually got stuck in the barrel, not in the barrel, but in the chamber. The reason why is it had enough power for that round to exit, but it didn't have enough to pull this slide back far enough to actually send this casing out. So that's what could happen in a squib load. I felt the recoil, so I knew it exited. I also saw the smoke at the end of the barrel, but like I said, white amount of powder in there, so that's why that didn't exit. I just figured I'd tell you that. That was another one.
No way.
Oh, that one actually did exit.